I'm Daniel Rogers, and today, I'm going to create a huge flood at Staples. It'll be very funny. And do it. 5, 4, 3, and 2.
Oh no, you better not.
Oh, it's Carla.
That's right, Daniel Rogers. I can't believe you tries to created a huge flood at Staples. You know doing that created a huge flood was very dangerous. That's it. I will call your parents about this. Go home right now.
Oh my God, Daniel Rogers, we can't believe you tries to created a huge flood at Staples. You know doing that created a huge flood at Staples was very dangerous.
I strongly agree with your father. That's it. You are grounded for 6 days. Go to your room right now.
Man, this is the worst day ever.